Weeknight twist with festive vibes. This Shio Lemon Seafood Yakisoba trays Worcestershire sauce for citrus brightness, celebrating pure ingredients with salt, lemon zest, and a technique that creates layers of clean flavor. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google Shio Yakisoba statue to find me. Let's start by preparing our zesty Shio lemon sauce. We're starting with one whole lemon, and I'm going to zest it using a microplane grater. Be careful not to grate too deep, we only want the yellow peel, not the bitter white pith. Once you've got all the beautiful zest, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. You can scoop out the seeds if they fall in. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of Chinese-style chicken bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of toasted white sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of grated garlic, quarter teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of Japanese light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green onion, and a pinch of ground black pepper. This is our Shio lemon base, light, salty, bright, very different from the sweeter Worcestershire forward sauce yakisoba, and designed to flatter seafood rather than overpower it. Now let's prep our bean sprouts. Fill a bowl with cold water and add your 100 grams of bean sprouts along with a couple pinch of salt. Set aside for later. Heat a large pan or wok of medium-high and add a light drizzle of cooking oil. Add your 200 grams of yakisoba noodles and fry until they're lightly crispy on both sides. If you want to use dry or fresh ramen noodles, check out my sauce yakisoba recipe video. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. In the same pan, add a touch more oil, add 200 grams of shrimp and 2 asparagus stalks cut into bite-sized pieces. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and stir fry just until the shrimp are opaque and asparagus bright and tender. Now, I didn't record deshelling and cleaning the shrimp today, but if you want to know how, check out my spicy shrimp yaki udon video. I explain the whole process there. Now we're bringing everything together. Return those crispy noodles to the pan and mix to break them apart. Don't worry if they've stuck together a bit at this point, that's totally normal. Here we're going to create strategic layers in a wok. Push the noodles, shrimp and asparagus to one side to make space. Drain your bean sprouts and place them in that empty space. Then layer your 50 grams of green cabbage right on top of the bean sprouts. Now, move the noodles on top of the cabbage. These layers allow the bean sprouts to steam at the bottom and cook the cabbage in the middle without overcooking the noodles. So we basically put in the watery bean sprouts at the bottom, cabbage in the middle, and creating a noodle dome on top. It's like a little steam tent that perfectly steams the cabbage while keeping our noodles from getting soggy. Move the shrimp to the very top to prevent them from burning and let everything cook until the bean sprouts and cabbage are slightly softened. About 2 minutes should do it. Turn the heat to high and pour the lemon sauce around the pan. Stir fry for about 1 minute to burn off the alcohol from the sake. Then keep tossing until every strand and every shrimp is evenly coated with that bright and zesty sauce. By the way, if you love this recipe, I think you also love my classic sauce yakisoba recipe. Check the description for more related recipes. Transfer to your serving plates and finish with an optional drizzle of toasted sesame oil and a sprinkle of chopped green onions. And there it is, Shio lemon seafood yakisoba with crisp-edged noodles, juicy shrimp, and bright asparagus. This dish is particularly wonderful in summer when you want something bright and refreshing. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time, and if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my spicy seafood yaki udon recipe popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.